Hello guys, this is Backpacking and Science Together. Today we're gonna go to the Wutach Schlucht. It's a canyon full of amazing nature. It's a biotop with a lot of plants and animals. Let's go and see what we saw on our tour. And after that we'll have some microscopic pictures on the right after our trip. Let's go.
Logo.
Backpacker Science. The canyon is a nature reserve and a special bird protection area in the Black Forest. It is frequented a lot by hikers. This means you should go late or early in the evening or in the morning. Here we can find about half of all vascular plants of South Germany, growing on different sides and heights of the canyon. Tourists started coming 1890 with trails built by the Black Forest Hiking Club and the English Fishing Club. The sea butterfly is beautiful and majestic. You can identify it by the big C on the back of the lower wing. Like every butterfly, the scales form the painting of the butterfly, mosaic-like. We will have a closer look in the microscope later. The painting often is for camouflage or mimicry. This means mimicking other animals, like an eye of a bigger animal so they don't get eaten. The canyon became a nature reserve in 1939. As a compensation for destroying the nature with the Schluchtensteig Dam, not far away in the Black Forest. The old hiking way had 4 similar metal bridges, special built suspensions, anchored in the rocky side of the canyon. On the other side, only laid on the bridge pillar as a support. Sadly, the floods took out the bridges. The only one standing isn't in use anymore because the river now takes a different route. Welcome to the scientific part of this video. Up there, I will show you different microscopic pictures of the butterfly's wing and scale. Here you can see different magnifications. Scales are connected flexible on the wing. This increases the area and helps them fly better. This means the scales are for better flying. One scale is the smallest mosaic-like part of the wing. They are basically like a pixel on your phone to give you the big picture. This also happens on the butterfly's wings, made up of these small scales and 100,000 of them. Now I'll show you the butterfly's wings vein. It's a little video where you can see the scales and little veins going along. For more microscopic videos, click the subscribe button and leave a like down below and maybe a comment. I hope I'll see you again next time. Have a great day.